natural all of my life, and I've been using Design Essentials products for the past 5 years. My stylist slash mom has done so many styles on me, such as twists, coils, presses, the whole shebang. I can describe my hair as coarse and can be dry if not taken care of. Today I'm here for my first big chop, as I want to start taking care of my own hair to give the old girl a break. We could say I started from the bottom.
Well, I guess she's really starting from the bottom. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Lindani has been bugging me for months to cut her hair, so I finally agreed because it was a bit of an emotional decision as I have put so much time and energy into this hair. We started off her hair in a silk press, which was about 3 to 4 weeks old because she just hasn't washed her hair in that long and she just wanted to cut her hair. So I started off by cutting her hair to where the hair had started to frizz up. Obviously, since it's natural and sweat and showering and everything, I kind of knew where to take the hair from. Then I rinsed the hair of any oils and dust residue, and then I followed this up with a deep clarifying and cleansing shampoo. I used the Design Essentials Oat Protein Henna Shampoo, which is a deep cleansing shampoo which cleans out all oil and dirt residue. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. If you're a client of my salon, you know that I exclusively use Design Essentials products for all ethnic hair. So after I deep cleansed this hair, which was very dirty, I followed that up with a moisturizing shampoo. I always shampoo hair twice. I always start with a clarifying shampoo, then follow it with a deep moisturizing shampoo, and here I use the Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Shampoo on a hair to put all the moisture back into the hair. This is an amazing shampoo which contains honey and a lot of other moisturizing agents which puts back the moisture back into your hair after you deep cleanse. After this, we followed with a treatment, and I used rosemary and mint stimulating super moisturizing conditioner because her hair was a little bit dry because obviously she hasn't been taking care of it that well. I popped her under the dryer for about 20 minutes just to activate the conditioner and get the conditioning agents working. As you can see, her hair is nice and shiny and dark after getting all that dirt out and moisturizing with the rosemary and mint. Just to get all the moisture back in. This is a very nice deep conditioner because it's got the right amount of protein and the right amount of moisture just to give your hair that boost, especially after a protective styling or if you're going into protective styling. When her hair was nicely washed and I'd patted dry, I followed that with a leave-in conditioner, and I chose the Bamboo Silk HCO leave-in conditioner, which has got bamboo and silk and protein in it. And this is a nice runny leave-in conditioner because we were going to be using a gel. I didn't want to use a thick conditioner because that tends to flake. After I let that absorb, you must let your products absorb before you put the next one in. I followed that with the honey curl forming custard, which has honey and chamomile in it to style the hair. This is a very nice gel. It doesn't leave your hair dry and crunchy. It actually is very nice to style with. And yeah, then I followed that with a sponge, and that was us.
I did this big chop done and got my treatment, and my hair feels so nice.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. All products mentioned can be found on takealot.com or the Niche Hair Care website. I will be leaving the links in the description box below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Mwah!